It was at this moment he knew.
How to drift in car parking multiplayer. Hey guys, Legends here with another video. And for this time it will be a long-awaited drift tutorial on how to drift in this new update, since things get slightly different each time. And with the current rise in the game's popularity, more and more players are beginning to join the car parking multiplayer community. And so this video will especially be dedicated to beginners, a well-explained tutorial for drifting. I will be using the Nissan GTR R33 as the first car, since it is one of the newly added vehicles, and some of you guys have been requesting a tutorial for it. The second car I will be using is the Mercedes-Benz 190e, as this is a cheap option that beginners can use. Not only will I be showing you guys how to tune these cars, you will also be getting my own personal tips and tricks as to how to quickly become a professional at drifting in this game. There is rear-wheel drive and there is all-wheel drive. All-wheel drive being the easiest for beginners. Before we get started on this tutorial, I want to quickly give a shout out to these awesome subscribers and viewers. Thank you guys for watching and supporting the content. I really appreciate you being here, and if you want to be shown in a future video, drop a like, subscribe, and comment shout out down below. Do this as fast as you can, as I will be choosing the earliest supporters. Now let's not waste any more time and get straight into the video. As soon as we enter the garage, the first thing to be done is to buy the upgrades necessary for drifting. In this case, with all-wheel drive, the more power, the better. So go for the highest available engine to you. I will be using the W16 engine because I have it unlocked, but you can use the V12 as well, it will work just fine. Be sure to buy all the other parts as well, especially the touring tires. They are the smoothest controlled tires for drifting. Once we have finished with the upgrades, we will need to burn these tires to 0%. This is very important, as having no grip to the tires allows you to drift effortlessly. I will also be reset my settings so you guys can follow along from the stock setup. Now let's go ahead and get these burned. I will show you exactly how. Make sure these settings are the same as you want to be in all-wheel drive and remove all restrictions. Go to any area of your map that has a firm wall. Go up close to this wall and hit the gas and put the car in the second gear. Click on the map at the same time you are holding the gas and the tires will begin to burn by themselves. This process usually takes about 4 minutes on average to get them down to 0%, so I will speed this section up. Once they have been burned, you should see the symbols in the tires that show 0%. Now let's head back to the garage to complete the rest of the tuning. You can copy all the settings that you see me apply. Do so carefully as to not miss any changes. Now that we have completed the first tuning, we can proceed to the drifting and the tips. As always, remember to put your car in all-wheel drive and turn off the safety systems before drifting. First tip that you can copy is my camera settings for this car. These settings help me judge distance and angle a lot better. Now put your car into gear 3 and hit the gas. Gently tap to the opposite direction to take the corner wide. Then hit the foot brake and hand brake to make your entry and smoothly enter the corner. Two things to remember is that the foot brake slides the car in one direction to extend your drift, while the hand brake increases your angle in the direction you are steering. So keep these in mind, along with maintaining control of your speed to judge how to take corners. Practice makes perfect. So remember to never give up if you fail the first time. We all make mistakes, even when we become professionals. Now that you have the R33 tuned up, let's move on to the Mercedes. I already have it tuned up for this video, so I will just show you guys the settings that you need to copy as a blueprint to follow. Let me know how well these settings work for you guys down below.